Hello, my friends. Chef Blondie here. Today, we're going to talk about garlic scapes. Do you know what a garlic scape is? Let's see here. It's the flowering stem that grows from a hardneck garlic plant, and its primary function is reproductive. And you use it like garlic, only it's milder, sweeter in flavor, it's firmer in texture. And we planted 84 cloves of garlic this year, and they all came up. And we have an overload of garlic scapes. Isn't that cool? I love them. So today, what we're going to do, we're going to make classic garlic scape pesto. And what you're going to need for this recipe, you're going to need at least a cup of the garlic scapes, and we're going to chop them up in small pieces. And we're going to need a half a cup of fresh basil leaves. Now my basil this year is just not doing well. The bugs are getting to it. So yesterday at Wegmans, I bought this beautiful basil plant. So I'll use that today. And you're going to need, it calls for nuts. You can use pine nuts, cashews, walnuts, and my favorite is walnuts. And I always use walnuts in my pesto. And then you're going to need olive oil, Parm cheese, the juice of a lemon, salt and pepper, and then it says you can serve it with any pasta you want, you know, linguine, spaghetti, rigatoni, and this is what we're going to use tonight. I bought this at Wegmans yesterday. It looked really good. Salt and pepper and all of that. And then, you know, you might want to serve this with a good red wine, and we chose the Vin de Maison from Gouvernement Winery. So my friends, come along with Chef Fuzzy and myself, and we'll get this started. Happy cooking! All right, let's get started with our classic garlic scape pesto. So first, we're going to add our scapes. And you know, we've cut them into small pieces. You know, and it calls for a cup, but you know, I always add a little bit more because I have them. It's up to you. You know, whatever you like. And then to this, we're going to add our basil leaves. You know, they've been rinsed and just kind of pulled off the stems a little bit. Then we're going to pulse this for approximately 30 seconds, and then we'll add the rest of some of the other ingredients. Okay, here we go. This. And now we're going to get our nuts in here. Probably be easier to just take the whole top off, but I'm a lazy cook sometimes. Okay, so you're going to do this approximately 30 seconds again. We're going to slowly drizzle in the olive oil. So now we want to put in our grated parm. Our lemon juice. Just a little bit of salt because the parm has a lot of salt in it. And our pepper. Right, we're ready to go. It's looking good. What do you think, Fuzz? Done? Yeah. Okay. Take this off. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And let me just grab a little spoon and taste it real quick, and just to see if it needs anything else. Oh, looks yummy. All right. That's really good. And I'll tell you something. It has a kick to it. And I really think it's the garlic scapes they have their own unique taste and flavor, and they do have a little bite to them, but this is delicious. And tonight I'm going to have Fuzzy do the taste test with the pasta, because my allergies are driving me nuts. But anyway, you're going to love this. Try it. It's delicious. Happy cooking.
Hold on. Mr. Monty here. Before you are subjected to this muddled, unprofessional tasting of Chef Blondie's exquisite rigatoni with classic garlic scape pesto, there's something I have to let you know. Old Fuzz Face went into this entirely unprepared. As you will notice during the tasting, I am sitting behind him the whole time, trying my best to prompt him what to do and what to say. Despite my best efforts, he still managed to mess it up. Please accept our sincere apology for Fuzz's presentation.
Okay. We've had pesto many times in the past. We've made it ourselves. We've used it primarily with basil, and we've thrown in some of our own garlic. This is the first time that we've made it with primarily the garlic scapes. So let's give it a try, as I've been waiting all afternoon to do.
And as you can see, Mr. Monty's sitting on his bench, and his tail's there.
So let's give it a go.
What do you think, Bub? Or Chef Fuzzy?
Well, compared to our other basil, it's creamier.
Okay. You mean the other pesto we've made?
The other pesto,
yeah.
Yes. And it has the garlic flavor, but it has that unique garlic scape flavor.
Okay.
It's a little bit sweeter.
Interesting.
And it's almost unique. I mean, I've never quite had something like this with pasta before.
Tell pesky dog to be quiet.
So what do you think about the rigatoni?
Rigatoni is very good. You did it al dente just the way I like it. And the nice part about it is the way it's shaped. It actually gets coated on both the inside and the outside with
so
the
you're
pesto.
getting all that sauce in there.
You're getting all that sauce in there, and you're getting all that flavor at the same time.
That's cool.
It's cool. It's really great. So all I can say is not only happy cooking, but happy eating.
Yeah, and also we you can serve this with just a simple garden salad. And Fuzz Face, he decided to do a sourdough bread for me this morning. So we've got that, a good glass of red wine. You're all set. Happy cooking.